Hey guys, it's Ned641 here, and this is my first Nerf video. Okay, today we're going to be reviewing the Raider CS35, and this is it. This is how it comes, except this, thing that sticks out. That, you have to put in by yourself, and it locks in, so you can't take it out. The stock is adjustable. The drum mag holds 35 darts and is clear, so when you're in the gun you can see how many bullets until you're done. Holds an extra dart at the bottom, and let's see, and you just put in the stock and like any other gun. This cocking mechanism has got to be pulled right back for this drum mag to go in. And then when this has also got to be pulled right back to open the jam door, and you can take out the dart if it's jammed in that. And the good thing about this is when you pull the cocking mechanism forward, it just locks in, so you don't need to remember to keep it shut. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a digital pattern. I'm pretty sure the Raider was the very first gun to actually do it. It's got two tactical rails. You can put on a deploy strap here, and then here. Yeah, so yeah, the stock feels really good because it's like really strong and not like flexible like the Recon. You don't need to pull the trigger back very far. Yeah, you can see it. And yeah, I think that's all. Okay, we'll do a firing test now. I'm standing to the end of that cupboard wall thing is 30 feet. Holding it straight. Okay, so where that landed, that was pretty good. It did curve because they are streamlined darts, but just the wall up here, so that's probably about 1.5 foot. Okay, now there's two types of modes on this gun. There is slam fire mode, and I forgot what the other one is called, but slam fire is where you hold down the trigger and just keep pulling the cocking mechanism back. Yeah, so this is slam fire mode. As you can see, you can do it pretty fast. And with this, you can't just pull it halfway, or else that's how the bullets get jammed and it can destroy. You got to pull it right back, or else your things will get jammed. Okay, and now an accuracy test. I will be aiming for this little target, but because it is streamlined darts, it's not going to be very accurate. But yeah. Okay, so as you can see, it was going on course, but they are streamlined darts, so they went everywhere then. I guess you could say it's pretty accurate. Let's see, what else? Good gun. It's good for if you want to have wars or anything. Yeah, even if you just want to have fun. Oh, and also, you've got to pull that back, and you press this orange button, and it slides out. Okay, so, if you don't have this gun yet, and you're thinking of getting it, don't keep the bullets in the drum mag, because that will screw it up, and then it only goes a quarter of the way as it should go full. So yeah, and also don't keep your gun cocked forward and ready to go. Just always keep it back like that. Yeah, so that is the Raider CS35. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to rate and subscribe.